In this video, we're diving into how to reduce customer support ticket volume by leveraging HelpScout's saved replies, Docs knowledge base, and AI features. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you deliver better customer service while lightening your team's workload. You'll learn why proactive support matters, how to set up saved replies for common questions, how to build a knowledge base that empowers customers, and how to use HelpScout's AI to provide instant answers and intelligent routing. If you manage a support team or handle customer emails yourself, this guide will help you handle more inquiries with less effort. The benefits of proactive support. When customers can find answers on their own, your team spends less time answering repetitive questions and more time solving complex issues. Proactive support increases customer satisfaction because people prefer instant answers. It also lowers costs by reducing the number of tickets that your team handles. So customers these days expect a seamless support experience, helpful self-service options, quick replies, and personalized assistance when needed. HelpScout provides tools to meet those expectations without adding more headcount. Setting up saved replies. Saved replies are just pre-written responses to frequently asked questions. In HelpScout, you can create them from within a conversation or via the settings. Start by identifying the top 10 questions that your team receives. Think shipping times, password resets, refund policies, etc. Craft clear, concise answers. Use placeholders to personalize the message, such as inserting the customer's name. Give each reply a descriptive name so that it's easy to find. In the conversation editor, type / to bring up the command menu and select the saved reply. You can also assign shortcuts to replies for even faster access. Encourage your team to use saved replies as a starting point. They can insert the reply and then tweak it to match the specific context. This balance between standardization and personalization ensures consistency without sounding robotic. Over time, refine saved replies based on customer feedback in new products or policies. Keep them up to date by reviewing them quarterly. Building a knowledge base with Docs. Docs is HelpScout's knowledge base tool. It allows you to create and organize articles that customers can search on your website or in your beacon, the in-page support widget. Start by categorizing your articles by topic: account management, product usage, troubleshooting, billing, and so on. Write each article in plain language. Break content into short paragraphs and include screenshots or GIFs to illustrate steps. Add a table of contents to long articles and link related pages. Once your knowledge base is populated, integrate the beacon on your site. Customers will see a help button that opens a search bar and suggests articles as they type. Encourage customers to use the knowledge base by linking articles in your emails and on your contact page. Regularly review analytics to see which articles are most viewed and which questions still generate tickets. Update your content accordingly. Implementing AI answers. HelpScout's AI answers feature uses a language model to provide instant responses based on your doc content and additional sources like web pages or PDFs. To enable AI answers, just go to your beacon settings and toggle the feature on. Write a custom prompt that tells the AI how to answer. For example, you're a friendly support agent. Answer based on the articles in our knowledge base. If you don't know the answer, direct the user to contact us. Add your knowledge base and any external sources. Choose between self-service mode, where the AI answers by default, and neutral mode, where the AI suggests answers and lets users choose. Test the feature thoroughly before rollout. Ask common questions and evaluate the responses. If the AI provides incorrect or outdated information, update your articles or refine the prompt. When properly configured, AI answers can deflect a significant percentage of support requests. It frees your team to handle the more complex issues. Customers really appreciate getting help instantly, day or night. Just be transparent. Let users know they're interacting with AI AI and provide an easy way to reach a human if needed. Routing tickets intelligently. HelpScout offers AI-powered ticket routing based on intent and sentiment. Instead of routing by simple keywords, the AI analyzes the customer's question to determine which team or agent is best equipped to handle it. For example, billing questions go to the finance team, technical issues go to the engineers, and account cancellations go to retention specialists. This reduces back and forth and speeds up resolution. To set up AI routing, enable it in your account settings. Train the model by categorizing recent tickets and confirming or correcting its predictions. Over time, the AI learns your patterns and improves accuracy. Encouraging self-service with Beacon. The Beacon widget is more than a chat window. It's a portal to your knowledge base and support channels. Customize Beacon with your brand colors and a friendly greeting. Add a search bar with suggestions, links to popular articles, and a Contact Us button for when customers need more help. Use Beacon to surface your most helpful docs content, deflecting tickets before they're created. If you have live chat or phone support, integrate those channels into Beacon so customers can choose the best option. Measuring success. To know whether your initiatives are reducing ticket volume, track metrics like ticket deflection rate, first response time, and customer satisfaction scores. HelpScout's reports show how many customers interacted with Beacon, how many used AI answers successfully, and which saved replies are most popular. Look for trends. If a particular question keeps coming up, despite having a knowledge base article, maybe the article isn't clear enough or it isn't being surfaced properly. Continuously improve your resources based on what the data tells you. The human side of customer support. So even with advanced AI tools, human empathy remains irreplaceable. Train your team to listen actively, acknowledge customer emotions, and take ownership of issues. Use saved replies as a framework, not a script. Encourage agents to personalize their responses and use the customer's name. When a situation escalates, empower agents to offer goodwill gestures like refunds or discounts within set guidelines. Combining human care with efficient tools creates a support experience that builds loyalty. Scaling support as you grow. As your customer base expands, revisit your support processes regularly. Review and update saved replies, add new articles to your knowledge base, and retrain your AI on fresh content. Consider creating tiers of support. Basic inquiries handled by AI and frontline agents, complex issues escalated to specialists. Use metrics to determine when to hire more support staff or invest in more advanced tooling. Staying proactive keeps your service level high as demand grows. Training and development for your support team. Tools are only as effective as the people using them, so invest in training sessions that teach agents how to leverage saved replies, knowledge base articles, and AI suggestions. Role-play scenarios to practice using these tools in live conversations. Encourage agents to write new saved replies or suggest articles when they encounter new questions. Continuous learning keeps your team prepared and engaged. Continuous improvement and adaptation. Customer expectations evolve. What satisfied customers yesterday might not satisfy them tomorrow. Regularly solicit feedback through surveys or follow-up emails. Invite customers to suggest topics for new articles or improvements to existing documentation. Stay in sync with your product team to anticipate upcoming changes that might prompt new questions. By staying proactive, you maintain a support experience that delights customers and scales efficiently. So delivering great customer support means balancing efficiency with empathy. Reducing support tickets doesn't mean ignoring your customers. It means empowering them. Use HelpScout's tools, saved replies, docs, AI answers, and smart routing to empower customers to find answers quickly. By creating a robust knowledge base, providing instant AI-powered answers, and using saved replies to handle common questions efficiently, you lighten the load on your support team while delivering a better customer experience. HelpScout's tools make it easy to implement proactive support without writing code or adopting complex systems. Focus on clarity, consistency, and continuous improvement. Customers expect self-service options and fast, accurate responses. So by combining technology and human care, you'll build a support system that not only reduces tickets, but also earns customer loyalty. So use these tips in this video to meet those expectations and keep your customers happy. And if you want to get started with HelpScout, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And it's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting your productivity. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.